Okay, hi, thanks for following us along today. Today we're doing a free giveaway contest visual inspection of a community. And we're creating it for a couple different reasons. One, we want to give back to the community we serve. And two, we're actually making a series of videos for do-it-yourselfers, mainly board members or even managers that want to walk around a community and be able to pick out the things that we're picking out. Just a construction defect or leak or maintenance issues, and we're gonna take you around so you can follow us, and as we pick through a building and say, check this out, look at this, I'd want to open this up, or I'm concerned about this. So follow me around. Hi guys, in this episode of the Do-It-Yourself Inspection Series, we're going to be looking at staining on your siding or staining below windows and vents and doors. Maybe those brown drip marks coming out of your deck. So stay tuned. We're looking at an exterior wall, and the visual giveaway is some dark staining on the T111 or similar paneling. The horizontal belly bands have some metal flashing over it. The windows have a little bit of tiny flashing over it. You can see back up on the gable panel, we've got some more staining. We've got our seam lines that are swelling and expanding, and you can actually see the bottom row of nails across the panel are swelling. You can see the soffits, the bottom side of the roof sheathing is peeling, indicating some type of moisture or water that's getting in. And then you can look at the basic windows. So here we have fogging window panes. So these panes are shot, and what I mean by pane is this is a double paned window. You can see two layers of glass, and inside that is that seal has failed, so it's condensing between the window. And while moss growing on the outside of your window isn't necessarily a bad thing, it's not a good thing either. There's no sealant between the window and the trim. You can see the base of wall. So concrete foundation. Base of wall is right here. We're fortunate that we have a sloped footing. Some of these footings are flat and the water collects and just rolls under. Electrical panels are always an interesting thing. I don't want to stick this metal tool back there too far, but we know that water and electricity don't get along. And so right here, the water can just flow right down. There's an open penetration somewhere into your building and into your electric main. Same with your cable boxes and things like that. So one of the benefits of this project is here's the existing, and we're going to take you over to a new replacement. So if you like this video with the tips and tricks and the walkthroughs, and it was helpful to you, make sure you click subscribe below. And then also click that little bell to be notified next time we post some helpful videos for you. Thanks for watching.